Today I'm at Ferrositi and I want to investigate what capabilities they have. Here on my right we have the Mazak i600 full simultaneous fifth axis machine. Here we have the Cheltenham, again 3+2 fifth axis machine, maximum 8 ton in weight components with an X of over 3 meters and a Y of over 1 meter. To my right here we have a Dali MCV 2100 3-axis machine, another very large envelope machine, and another Dali back in the corner here. In the back right hand corner we have an XYZ cell with milling machines, turning machines, and a lathe with a 3 meter in diameter capacity. Here we have the latest investment, a quick turn 250 MY quick turn from Mazak with Y-axis for milling features, and in the bottom corner a VTC 530C. Here at Ferrositi they do small parts, large parts, predominantly low volume, but they'll take on anything, any complexity and any material. Contact them today.